Eva.
What Adam's name? No, what's his name?
What's her name daw?
Avery.
Ate Tisha.
About you, Papa.
What? My name is Jeffrey Foggy.
Pingin. Isa pa di ako papunta ng tubig ko dyan.
Oh, it's real cute. Yeah. Today we are eating in the breakfast. I told you my name and my family.
Sarap tong in-order mo.
And don't forget the age. My age is 5. And what's your age?
I'm 42.
And Adibri. And Aditya, what's your age?
21.
Okay, Papa, what's your age?
35.